Welcome to Shelftech channel. Today, we will explore interesting and exciting content together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the latest videos from us. Discover the pinnacle of luxury and innovation with Mad Pool's one swimming pool in North America. As the first container swimming pool in the region, Mad Pools takes pride in an impressive history, having designed and delivered over 1,000 container pools across Canada and the United States. What sets Mad Pools apart is not just the striking design of their container pools, but also their flexibility. These pools transcend traditional limits, easily adapting to various environments. From backyard gardens to urban areas, Mad Pools redefines the concept of a pool, offering unparalleled solutions and style for those seeking harmony between form and function. The creatively colorful containers in the art installation Catène De Containers in Le Havre, France, are a unique symbol combining contemporary art and advanced architectural techniques. At the intersection of Paris Street and the Southampton riverbank, two prominent gateways constructed from a variety of brightly colored containers resemble rare gemstone blocks. The wonder of the artwork lies in the chain technique, featuring a unique characteristic inspired by the architectural mastery of Catalonia's Antoni Gaudí. The multicolored containers not only interconnect but also form a continuous strip of creativity and marvel, creating an unparalleled architectural space. The sculpture is not just an artwork, but also an emblem of modernity and innovation, where art and architecture harmonize, leaving a profound impression of uniqueness and sophistication. The largest exhibition event in Wellington in 2020 marked a significant milestone by utilizing no fewer than 52 shipping containers to create an entirely new and stunning art space. With over 30 stacked containers reaching a height of 8 meters, the Gogh Alive exhibition promised to be more than just an art event. It was a powerful emotional experience and an exploration of an extraordinary space. The unique combination of a series of containers and creative artworks form a vast space, providing a completely new, engaging, and immersive experience with Van Gogh's masterpieces. Grand exhibitions open a window to the art world, creating an unprecedented interactive journey, marking a pinnacle in the wave of art and cultural events. Microtower emerges as an icon of creativity and transformation, in the heart of Columbus, Ohio, as part of the unique public art project, Bold Boots. Microtower is not just an ordinary parking spot. It is an architectural masterpiece crafted from repurposed shipping containers, vertically positioned to create a small yet incredibly refined work of art. The innovation is evident not only in its functionality but also in surpassing traditional limits, shaping a vibrant and artistically rich urban space. It serves as a profound source of inspiration, inviting the community to contemplate the significance of urban spaces and the potential to turn ordinary structures into unique works of art, opening doors to a new world of creativity and recycling in the realms of architecture and public art. Urban rigor shines like a gem in the heart of the city, embodying creativity and sustainability in the realm of housing. As the drone soars, exploring the space from above, urban rigor reveals itself as an assembly of shipping container blocks, elegantly and uniquely positioned amidst the water flow. The water surrounding urban rigor is not just a living space, but also an artistic focal point, creating a vibrant canvas with reflected light and harmonizing sea hues. The calm water produces gentle sounds combined with the comfortable atmosphere, crafting a harmonious and relaxing living environment. Urban rigor not only meets housing needs, but also stands as an icon of innovation and progress, opening a glimpse into the future with homes floating atop the water, tightly connected to nature. CasaBoxx is a masterpiece of elegance and innovation in the world of mobile housing. It is a seamless blend of luxury and convenience, unveiling a modern living space with remarkable expansiveness. When CasaBoxx unfolds, it is not merely a compact home, but also an icon of spaciousness. The mobility of CasaBoxx becomes a focal point, especially when installed on a container, providing flexible relocation and meeting the need for a change of residence without sacrificing utility and comfort. CasaBoxx, with its excellent harmony between uniqueness and convenience, not only opens up a modern living space, but also symbolizes freedom and mobile luxury. Whether on a peninsula or along the coastline, CasaBoxx is an endless adventure where each step brings a new living experience, creating a new chapter in your journey. I would like to introduce to you the simulation model of this house as an excellent way to immerse yourself in the world of an artist and architect named Shipping Container House Design Diagonal. With meticulous attention to every detail, the simulation images of Shipping Container House Design Diagonal reveal a modern and unique living space. Placing containers diagonally not only makes the house extravagant and luxurious, but also creates a powerful impression of creativity and artistic thinking. Each container is not just a part of the architecture, but also an independent work of art, perfectly combining industrial characteristics with modern beauty, creating an impressive and captivating living space. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Please leave your comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting content. See you in the next videos.